Alright, so we're about to set off on a pretty epic road trip down into the south and west parts of the Northwest Territories. We're going to go along the Waterfall Route. So we're going to see half a dozen or so of the pretty nice waterfalls that we have here in the NWT, and our destination is Nahanni National Park, and it's supposed to be one of the most spectacular places in the world. So I am very lucky to get to see this, but I thought that along the way it would be an interesting opportunity to explore my theory that all waterfalls basically sound the same. They all sound like this, and here's my best waterfall impression. Here we go. Now you may encounter some variation in the waterfall sounds, something like but basically they all sound like that. So we'll see if that's true, and we'll do a little bit of a comparison. But and then the last one that you'll see in the film will probably be the most spectacular. But I'm still expecting it to sound basically like whoosh. So here we go. Here's the sound of Lady Evelyn Falls. Louise Falls. Okay, this one's pretty cool. We're at Alexander Falls. McNally Falls. Somebody Falls. Trout River Falls. I know that I said that waterfalls are not really the most exciting things to record, but when you get a waterfall like this one, it's kind of hard to beat. If we're close here, you can hear the whoosh of the waterfall, this kind of noisy, fluffy stuff that happens. If we back away, and I'll point it back down in a second. If we back away, you'll hear a lot more of the low. One of the most incredible places I've ever been, Nahanni National Park. We just flew in and we're just walking around, but it's really it's unbelievable, like nothing else I've really ever seen. Being very careful on the edge, very. Pretty cool.